Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar has said the world is looking at India through Bengaluru, reflecting growing global confidence in the country's economy and its youth. Speaking to reporters in Bengaluru after returning from the World Economic Forum meeting in Davos, Shivakumar said India is the fastest growing major economy and global leaders see Bengaluru as a key gateway because many Fortune 500 companies operate from the city. He said chief ministers from 10 Indian states attended this summit, along with leaders from 65 countries. According to him, discussions involved global business leaders and focused on policy issues rather than announcements. Shivakumar said talks at Davos centered on data centers, global capability centers, renewable energy, electric vehicles, aviation, electronics, and long-term urbanization, with special attention on Bengaluru's growth by 2047. He said the Karnataka government chose not to sign any memoranda of understanding at the summit. Instead, it wanted investors to visit the state and assess its resources, talent, clean energy potential, and the infrastructure needs. The Deputy Chief Minister said investors showed interest in investing in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities to create local jobs and reduce migration to big cities. He stressed the need for long-term urban planning and said mobility plans must be made for the next 25 years. Ring roads, he said, were essential for all towns and cities. Shivakumar said past delays in projects such as the peripheral ring road in Bengaluru would not be repeated elsewhere. He added that work on pending projects had begun and official notifications would be issued soon. He also said urban development would be reviewed shortly. He mentioned that a new initiative, Yes Bengaluru, would be launched in February to improve the city's growth and governance. Shivakumar said issues like overhead cables and poor use of underground utility corridors were raised by investors. He added that discussions also covered urban innovation, digital platforms, and encouraging local entrepreneurs. He said the government would go ahead with plans to develop IT City and AI City in Bidadi near Bengaluru, despite opposition. He added that farmers would eventually accept the project once they received fair compensation. The Deputy Chief Minister said Karnataka was offering unprecedented compensation for land acquisition for the peripheral ring road. He added that several companies had shown interest in sectors such as green hydrogen, electronics, and nanotechnology.